my goodness. Man, it's windy this morning. I forgot to do the intro, but I don't care. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's US Storms and Sirens here. Today we're getting some 35 mile per hour wind gusts in Frisco. Well, not actually. Today's maximum gust is 35 miles per hour, but the current gusts right now are 31 miles per hour. And it's currently like 6:20 on a Sunday morning. And right now we're getting gusty winds. So, and as you can hear, the cicadas are still out. The cicadas. There was just a big gust at the beginning of the video. So before I get into the wind gusts here, everyone wants an update on my oak tree. My oak tree is actually doing very well. It's doing very good. It's been doing very well since I brought it back. All the cuts are starting to heal over, so that's the good thing. I can see wood. You can see the wood coming around right there. So yeah, everyone was just curious about my oak tree. It's doing very well. It hasn't gave me any problems. It's been doing very well since I brought it back. It's been doing very good. No problems whatsoever. It's doing very well today. Anyways, let's get back to these wind gusts. All right, we're back here. Let's go out to the road a little bit here. I can hear those two oaks over there. And the clouds are moving very fast this morning. And there goes the AC units. Because it's going to be a very hot one today. There goes the cypress. There goes the tree. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's my oak tree. It's doing very well. I'm gonna walk over here a little bit. Here's one of the stems I took out of the tree. Yeah, no big gusts yet. No big gusts yet because the big gusts come like every few minutes. Oh, here we go. Here it comes. Here it comes. And yeah, my oak tree's blowing in the wind like crazy. Looks good. You could see the wind blowing over there. Yeah, the wind's blowing good. There goes a gust right there. You can hear my wind chimes right there. Man, look at that wind. Oh my goodness. That was a good gust over there. Yeah, there goes my oak tree blowing in the wind like crazy. Yeah, there's a good gust right over there. Looks good. You can see the wind blowing over there. All right, guys, I'm gonna go to the backyard. Okay, we're in the backyard now. There's that beautiful sunrise. There's a bunny rabbit. You can see my tree blowing right there. There's a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit! Oh my goodness. Look at my tree. Watch my tree. Blows like crazy. Wow. You can see my oak tree over there. Wow. I'm gonna sit down over here. My feet are getting kind of tired. The same spot I sat in yesterday's video. So we're supposed to get 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts for the next 2 days. So we're supposed to get it for the next 2 days. And then the winds drop down to in the 20s and 10s. Here comes a gust. Yeah, I can kind of feel the base moving a little bit on my tree. I can feel the base moving. There's another good gust. I don't want to film for too much longer because I got to go eat breakfast. Get ready for church. Yeah, the base is definitely moving. I can literally see it moving. I don't know if this tree is going to survive the next derecho, but we haven't had a derecho in a year. The last derecho we had was June 8th of last year. Yeah, there's the wind over there. I can hear other trees going in the neighborhood. Yeah, here's my dead tree. Nothing has really changed. It's still here. It hasn't gone anywhere. If you people who are wondering about my dead tree, it's doing okay. It's still here. So Yeah, the winds just randomly stop. It's weird. The winds just randomly stop. And then they just start going again. Oh my goodness. It was pretty windy out in the front yard, but it's not as windy back here. Here comes another gust. Here it comes. Oh my gosh. Okay, that had to be like a 30-mile-an-hour gust. Look at my tree. My tree's dancing everywhere. Wow. That was crazy. There's the logs we piled up. Look at that sun just peeking out. Got the beautiful sun peeking out. That was a good gust again. Front yard. Well, guys, I'm going to end off the video here because I got to go eat breakfast now. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Please sub and like, and I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.